Hello, welcome to Monkey Arts! Today we are going to draw a beautiful princess squirrel. She is from the deep sea and she's a beautiful little girl. Let's get started. Once upon a time, in the depths of the ocean, there lived a mermaid named Coral. She loved to explore the ocean and discover new treasures. One day she found a shiny object that turned out to be a powerful magical artifact. The artifact caused chaos in the ocean, so Coral set out on a quest to find and defeat the source of the magic. She encountered many obstacles but was brave and determined. Finally, she defeated an ancient sea monster and saved the ocean. Coral returned home a hero and continued to explore the ocean, always keeping a watchful eye out for any more magical artifacts. Now we're gonna make some circles inside, but before that I wanna make this a little bit thicker. Just like that. Now we're gonna draw small circles and then big black ones. Now let's color them in. Okay. How about we add her some eyelashes, so she will be a beautiful princess. Okay, now we're gonna put some dots on the side and draw her beautiful face. Just like that. Now we're gonna go a little bit up and draw her tiny cute ears so she can hear other sea animals and her other mermaid friends. Now let's go to the top and draw her beautiful hair. And here on her head we're gonna add some sea star. Just like that. Let's add a few more dots. We're gonna use that to draw her hair. That side and also from this side. Her hair is gonna be beautiful It's gonna be curvy, wavy. Just like that. Okay, now we're gonna go a little bit down and draw her body. And then we're gonna go back and finish her hair. Let's add her some arms. Let's make them simple. Just like that. There she is. Now let's finish her beautiful hair. You can always add shapes like that if you want. Beautiful. Now let's draw her tail. Wow, she's looking beautiful. Let's add some pearls. And there we go. Now we're gonna go and color our beautiful Princess Mermaid called Coral from the Deep Sea. So we are going to fast forward this part. And there we go, guys. We have created a beautiful Princess Coral and she's looking amazing. So let's give her a little heart because we love our Princess Coral, a little mermaid. And let's give it a little check mark. And we forgot one thing to do, and that is to color this beautiful sea star. We're gonna use yellow for that. or gold. I'm gonna use one more yellow. It's gonna be a little darker. There we go. Now it's looking perfect. Well done, guys. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.